Good morning, this is Tim Kirshner from the Breeders' Fall Classic. Today is March the 28th. As you can see, we got the birds out. Got a group out today. That's their first time out. These are obviously the older ones. They've been flying for about 20 minutes. They're actually getting a good workout. We've had a lot of rain down here and a lot of wind. And last week I only got the birds out twice. But as they get older like this, I'll be putting them out every day no matter what it's doing, as long as it ain't thunderstorming and raining buckets. All in all, everything is going good. We haven't had any sick birds yet, knock on wood. We got all the younger ones over here sitting on the loft. They'll go up, or I'll flush them up, one of the two. Sometimes they get spooked. I'll tell you what, this group right here they're grouped up getting it done. Once again, it's Tim Kirshner, Breeders' Fall Classic. I just wanted to shoot a short video and show you where your birds were at in terms of going out and what they're doing and flying, and let you know everything's going good. We got about 200 birds here. Got a lot more coming. Thought I saw a hawk over there. In any event, we appreciate you flying the race, and good luck.